Today, we will review the Skyworth 27-inch gaming monitor. 2K QHD resolution, perfect for 27-inch monitor, with 180Hz refresh rate, kaya smooth for FPS games. Okay din to for multitasking, sharp yung text and image, kaya magagamit mo din for work. Sa price, 9,999, so yun yung i-check natin kung okay ba para sa price niya. But first, check muna natin kung ano yung mga kasama niya sa box. Syempre, user's manual, power adapter, display port, stand, and base. Less hassle i-set up, wala ka na kailangan i-screws. I-insert mo lang yung stand sa base, then slide sa monitor. Solid plastic yung base, stand, and monitor kaya medyo magaan. Wobbly nga lang siya pero kung stable naman yung table, walang problema. Pwede ka maglagay ng phone and earpad sa base since flat design siya. Sa adjustment, bawal mong i-adjust yung height, i-rotate, and swivel. So i-tilt lang yung pwede. For display, 27-inch yung screen size with 180Hz refresh rate and 5ms response time na pwede maging 1ms kung iseset mo sa super fast yung overdrive. Sa brightness, it range from 250 to 330 nits kaya visible yung screen even na maliwanag. When it comes to contrast, detail yung dark scenes and brighter yung highlights dahil HDR10 support. And kahit IPS panel siya, hindi noticeable yung backlight bleed. Ang maganda dito, accurate yung color and consistent from any angles. So hindi lang to for gaming, pwede din for movies and video editing. In terms of design, flat display yung monitor with branding logo and kung mapapansin nyo, manipis lang yung bezels. If ever naman na gusto mong i-mount, pwede dahil best mount supported. For connectivity, it comes with HDMI, DisplayPort, and a 3.5mm audio jack. Also, may multifunction button, so nandito na lahat ng controls para sa settings. Dito, ma-adjust mo yung display, color, light sensor, and game settings. You can even tweak the sharpness and color space to match your own preference, and with smart function, automatic mag-a-adjust yung brightness and color based on your environment. For productivity, more screen space for multitasking. Sharp din yung text kaya okay for coding, reading documents, and spreadsheets. Vibrant and accurate yung color output kaya good din for photo and video editing. Plus with low blue light technology, kaya perfect for long work sessions. Bago natin pag-usapan yung gaming experience, check muna natin yung game settings. So it features adaptive sync for smoother gameplay, overdrive kung saan pwede mong iset sa super fast para ma-achieve niya yung 1ms response time. It also has game assist where you will find useful tools like timer. Dito, pwede ka mag-set ng time limit while gaming. Crosser na merong 4 design options. Plus, may built-in FPS display kaya mamamonitor mo yung frame rate. You can also enable motion feature response time for better motion clarity. When it comes to gaming, this monitor is perfect for FPS games like CSGO and Valorant. With 180Hz refresh rate, kaya smooth talaga and mabilis kang makakapag-react. Also, okay din for this type of game dahil detailed kahit madilim. Though meron siyang ghosting but minimal naman and hindi mo siya mapapansin lalo na sa fast-paced games. If may experience ka naman ng screen tearing, you can enable the adaptive sync to reduce it. At na-mention ko nga kanina, vibrant and well-balanced talaga yung color. So ma-appreciate mo talaga yung visuals and hindi lang for FPS games. But also for immersive graphics like Guardians of the Galaxy. This monitor is recommended for casual gamers, professionals, and content creators. With 2K resolution, 180Hz refresh rate, and accurate colors kaya not bad na for its price. Though may limitations like limited adjustability and minor ghosting, still good pa din for 9,999. So if you're looking for a monitor na good for gaming and productivity, ito na yun. Kaya kung interested ka, click the link in my description and please don't forget to like and subscribe. And bago matapos tong video, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng nagla-like, nagko-comment, and nagsusubscribe. Sobrang laking tulong yan sa akin and sa channel ko. And I hope nakatulong din ako sa inyo. That's it for now. See you in the next video.